Hello, this is Scholastic Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on the topic of circle, and today on the topic of trigonometry and algebra 2, we will be learning about circles. Now, a circle is defined as a set of points on a plane equidistant from the center, and the distance from each of those points to the center is known as the radius. So the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And the vertex, also known as the center, is h comma k. So h is the x-coordinate of the vertex, and k is the y-coordinate of the vertex. And the square root of r squared is just the radius, because r squared is just the radius squared. So a change in x changes it right or left, because x is, if it changes the x value. A change in k changes it up or down, because that changes the y value. And a change in r changes the radius, and thus the distance, so the size of the circle. And in case you ever come across an inequality involving a circle, if the equation is greater than r squared, shade the outside. If it's less than r squared, shade the inside. So let's get into it. We see this thing right here, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 36. So I know the equation is x minus h. So x minus negative 2 would be x plus 2. So the x value of the vertex must be negative 2. And y minus 5, so it's y minus k. So the k value must be just 5. So we go up 5 over left 2, because it's 5, negative 2. And we put our vertex there. So our vertex is at negative 2, 5. And you want to draw a nice circle there, showing that's the center. And then you draw 6.6 units going up, down, right, and left. And then you draw a circle connecting those. And that's going to be your circle. Now, if we have our circle here, and we try to get the graph, we see that over here it goes to 7, and here it goes down to negative 1. 7 plus negative 1 is 6, divided by 2 is just 3. So our middle point is 3. And negative 3 and 5, and those added together are 2, divided by 2 is just 1. So if you look at the middle of the two x values, it's just going to be 3. And the middle of the y values is going to be 1. So we know our vertex, where we draw that big point, is at 3, 1. And since the x value of our vertex is 3, we know h is 3. And the k value of our vertex is 1. So we know k is 1. And if we look, that is 4, the vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4 units from the outside. So our radius must be 4. And we know, so we got h equals 3, k equals 1, r equals 4, and our vertex is 3, 1. Now let's look at our equation. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. We know h is 3, so we get x minus 3 squared plus y minus, the k value is 1, y minus 1 squared equals 4 squared, which is 16. So the equation of the circle is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 16. So please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below. Remember, I do take video requests. Thank you to my math teachers, Mr. and Mrs. Barrett, for teaching me this information. Join us next time where we discuss and go over ellipses. Thank you all. Bye. I'll see you next time. Scholastic Sam.